Hi, I'm Maya. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen carefully and practice with me. This weekend, our family is going on a camping trip. I hope you will have a great time with us.
Okay, everyone. Tents, sleeping bags, and the cooler are in. Leo, did you pack your hiking boots?
Yep, and my magnifying glass to find cool bugs.
I packed my sketchbook and watercolors. I want to paint the sunset.
Excellent. Looks like we're all set for our great camping adventure.
Wow, this place is awesome. Can we go explore now?
First, we need to set up the tent. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I'll help, but after, I want to find the perfect spot to paint.
I'll get the campfire going. Chloe, can you gather some sticks and keep with a big pile? And then a giant bear came out of the woods and what happened? What happened? It smelled our marshmallows and wanted some, so I offered him one.
Did the bear really eat it?
He did. He gently took it from my hand and walked away into the shadows.
That's so cool. I wish I saw a bear.
Let's keep an eye out.
Look, I think that's the Big Dipper.
And that one is a shooting star. Make a wish, Chloe.
I wished for us to have a camping trip every year.
That's a great wish. I can see a new planet, which is amazing. What's next? Maybe that will be in space.
This is so peaceful. I'm glad we came here. How about a bedtime song?